Howdy everybody, Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading and the MOJO Show. Oh, we're going to have a wonderful time today. Topic, are you getting burned by the stock market or burned by the mentor you're following? Which one is it? Which one? Which one? No! So that's what's going on. For the MOJO Show today, we'll show you what happens. Because, you know, I've been doing this for a long time. Been trading for 25 years. I know I only look 25 years old, but I've been trading for 25 years. That means I wasn't trading when I was 1. You know what I mean? Some of these guys are 25 years old. But their strategies suck and they don't work. So let's check it out and we'll see what we're talking about. So here's the MOJO Day Trade Room. Myself, I run the day trade room. These other services, some of the guys run the room and the other guys put out great information and picks. But the moderator himself loses for the day. So if he loses, what's going to happen with everyone else? And he's the mentor. He's showing everyone. So that doesn't really do anything. Doesn't really make it that good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. A lot of people crying. Ooh, crying. Let me show you why. Because if you lose one day in the stock market, it takes 3 days to make that money back. The bigger you lose, the more days it makes to make it back. Because you're tentative. You just lost big. You're not going to go in and you wind up going smaller. And then you do a couple of days, you get humble, you make the same mistake again and again. So if I'm losing every day, how the hell is everyone winning? Why would I have a huge chat room? Why would people pay me? I'd be so nervous, everyone would quit. Why would they want to pay me for my picks? Their picks are just as good as mine. They're here. These guys know the stock market. They're here all day long. You see them all. Look at them. You got all these people. Look, all these people. They know how to do it. Jay Picker, look. Look at all these pro traders and traders. And Bustafuka. Look at all of them, dudes. So many traders in my chat room and in my service. Because my room works. I make good winning picks. Look, I just picked SNES right here. 134, 135. You see it? It's 138 right now. Look, 137 right next to my head. I'll put it up on the other screen right here. There it is. Look, SNES 138. You want to see where I picked it? Right here on this bar right there at 122. Hadn't picked it for hours. All of a sudden, I wait all day and I pick it there. Why? Because I got patience. I'm already up a couple $1,000s. It was very easy. Right here. That's where it went through. Watch. Hold on, I got a message from one of my guys. Okay, did you send the swing or no? Watch my show, dude. I'm live. There you go. Watch my show. Stop asking so many questions. The last newsletter I said is, let me, I think I didn't send one Sunday because I just didn't like anything. You know, new people join the room. I've been doing this for 6 years. New people join the room and they're like, where's the pick? I just paid for the service. I'm like, oh, dude, I got hundreds of people in the service. I'm not going to put out a pick to appease one person. You don't like it? Quit if you didn't get the pick. Most services put out a pick once a month. I'm doing it 4 times a month. Get a grip. This is my last pick, INPX, right here at 42 cents. I think it's going to break out. Got it here at 41. Yesterday it looked amazing. See it? Look. Made a beautiful spike yesterday on this volume. 6.8 million. Got accumulated yesterday. Made a nice move. So here's my pick right here. I hadn't done it all day. Look, out. This is what I did at 11:57. I went to the warehouse. Hi there, Michael Rich. I'm the CEO of MOJO Miners, running a cool 83 degrees, 88 Check it out right here in the warehouse. Look at that. 12 mining rigs running right now. Look at those badass mining rigs. Each one of those is making $500 to $700 a month. Add them up. Round to 5. Here's 1,000, 2,000, 2,500. Oh, there's $5,000 a month in income right there off those 2 sets of rigs. Can you believe that? Look, I got more. 27 in here. Oh, it's a chilly 79 degrees. Look at that mining Zcash, 62 degrees, 60 degrees, 62, running at 464 souls, 469, these are 1070s right here, gigabyte 1070s. See, look, 62, 60, 62, 60, 60, 62, running a cool 470 per GPU, 2,800 souls right here on a nice 6 set. Some more right there. Look at that beautiful setup right there. The nice clean wiring. I got it all down. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Look at my wiring on the floor, around the wall, into the other room, and everything's pristine. Look at that. Look at all my gigs. Everything's lined up equal height to all the rigs, custom electrical. There's my, every one of these. I'm going to get a little table right there to raise that up a little bit so I don't want the dust to get on. I can vacuum around it, all clean. Love it. There's 5 more rigs, another $2,500. Some more rigs to the right, another $2,500 right there. So I got these empty spaces. I'm building these right now. So these 3 are going to get filled right now. It's another $2,500. Then I have 2 more racks to the right. And you see this wall? There's going to be a door there. I'm going back. That's an empty warehouse behind for 30 more rigs. And the wall behind these rigs, another 30 rigs. 100 rigs in this little mini setup I got. A lot. That's right there. That's right there. Around $50,000 a month in income for MOJO miners. Look, and here's my fan setup. Everyone has these unbelievable. It's not about that. Look, they have these crazy exhausts and these crazy. See my fan setup. The fan setup. I'm only using one of them. These aren't even on. Because if I turn them on, all of them, the whole freaking room, you'd be like, oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. Because I figured out how to do it all in the warehouse because I did it in my home for a year. So I'm not going to a warehouse now with 2,000 rigs and going to try to stumble and mumble on majillions of dollars like some of these guys are trying to do. Gonna get stuck. I'll show you why. See, these are GPU mining rigs. So my boy's at the door. Hold on. Take a look at that. Be right back. Come in. There we go. So I got the mining rigs going right there. These are the GPUs. So right here you have, let me get up another screen over here on my third screen. So I have this, and I have this, and I have these three I want to show you. Okay. So let's continue right here with the rest of this video. Here's the rest of the beautifulness of the warehouse. And that's beautiful right there. So then I'm building a new rig right here. So this is how I build my rigs. I have a little LED monitor. See, some of these guys, I saw a video last night. The guy has a full monitor and keyboard for each one. It takes up so much space. Little does he know he can get a touch screen like this right on there. You can walk by every machine and see exactly what the machines are doing. Sick. I'm building this one right now. I'm adding these two GPUs on there right now. See? Look, I got a bunch of other setups down there that I'm adding on more right there. All custom, baby. One on the motherboard, 6 on the risers. See, this one's off up top. Watch me go start it up with a touch of a click. Watch. See? Look. See, it's off. All I gotta do, boop, boop, touch it with my finger, it goes right on. Watch. Boop, boop. Just double tap it. Starts the nice hash miner right up and going, just like that. Sick. So then I got another one right here. Show just a beautiful setup of the office, of the warehouse, like I showed you. It's beautiful. I got a couch, or you want to come over and hang out and check out the warehouse? You could sit right there. We'll chit chat about Bitcoin and the blockchain, and you'll freaking be razzle dazzled. Unbelievable. There's my office in there. I got a desk and all. I did this whole thing is for, dude, it's electric. You can't even go by, you get electrified. Look at all these mines. Look at all those cards and stuff. Come on now, kids. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's nice. So that was before lunch. Isn't that nice? This is mining Votecoin. Look. GPU accepted 5, 2, 2. Look at it, 67, 69. Running 521 souls. 500 of these are 1070 Ti's. 524 solutions per second. GPU 522 for a total of 3,653 solutions per second mining Votecoin. Every time an order comes in, and it says GPU accepted share 62 milliseconds A10R0. That means I got paid a little fraction of the verification of that cryptocurrency. Watch. New York order B13D28CD. Watch. Normally you get like this. Watch. All right, now you're done. Now it'll go to another order, typically on Zcash, Zencash, any other coin you're mining. But when you're mining the most profitable coin, it doesn't stop. Watch. Look at that. every split nanosecond. Look at that. 7:39, 19, 20, 22, 23, 20, all within the same minute of 7:39, all accepted shares. Look at that. It's nuts. And it goes on all day and all night. This coin, Vote coin, is, let me get this one up too, is going to be up one day 10,000%. And you're going to be like, holy crap. Look, this is Vote coin right here. See it? Decentralized voting into the blockchain. State polls, public elections. Download the wallet. There's the wallet. I got a lot of Vote coin in my wallet. It looks exactly like that. I get paid 100 times a day in Vote coin. 100 times a day. These are what the screens look like. The roadmap, they've already done all this. So it's very on their way. They've already accomplished listing on one exchange, Trade Satoshi. So they're all going to get up here. Look, they've already have an application in progress with Binance, the largest exchange in the world. Once they get listed on Binance, I'm going to wake up, $1,000 will be 100 grand. Just like that. Just like I bought with the Bitcoin when I bought it at 980. Okay? Just like that. When I bought Bitcoin at 980 and it went to 19, didn't sell it. Now it's 9,000, still didn't sell. It's going to 100,000. Watch this keep on coming in. See it? 739.32. Here's a new order coming in. Watch. 34, 36, GPU 1, 5, 1, 5, 3, 6, 3. Accepted, accepted, accepted. How long it took to get that order? 125 milliseconds, 47 milliseconds. Sick. Goes on all day and all night. It's an ATM machine. So let me scroll back here to the beginning of the day. Before I scroll back to the beginning, let me share some amazing things of growth that's happening with mining and why I'm so into it, okay? Okay? Check this out. One, I got traded Madron juiced today. Juiced. My vision is contagious. He's in his office, eager to take his life to the next level, man. This is incredible. Let me show you what else I'm talking about. Look. It's marathon money. Watching both and not new $10 million opened Greenville startup for cryptocurrency mining. In Greenville, South Carolina, cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly popular, slowly overturning the expectations of the entire world. In fact, Bitcoin and similar coins are available by the millions, but a Greenville-based startup has decided to take some funds to improve the community. The startup is called Trace Mining, and they're about to dedicate $10 million to a center for mining new tokens. According to David Pence, the managing director for Trace, the process of confirming financial transactions over the internet is going to change the way countless industries operate over the next 10 years or so. We're here as a company to facilitate that transition. Whenever someone adds a transaction to the ledger, microprocessors have to mine for more coins, which is done through multiple mathematical problems. The reason that this is beneficial is because the first processor to complete the solution gets part of the coin they were attempting to transact. In addition, coin holders may be subject to fees when these coins are mined, though it won't take away from the value that they purchase. We verify a transaction, it's added to the blockchain. We're compensated in the particular cryptocurrency or coin upon the transaction that was processed, just like I showed you with the Vote coin that I was doing. Once trace mining is in full force, they'll need about 1,600 watts of power and about $4,302 to generate one Bitcoin, okay? There'll be about 5 or 6 more data centers coming over the next 10 years. It's unbelievable. Okay? If you want to come here and visit me in my data center, you let me know you come here. Bitcoin mining Cannon confirms an IPO backed by the major banks. Chinese Bitcoin manufacturer Cannon Creative just announced a $2 billion IPO for crypto mining. Dude, I've been doing it I'm on track, baby. Citing anonymous sources, Bloomberg added it would be around $1 billion IPO. Why is Canon, a leading cryptocurrency mining rig supplier, looking to raise $2 billion according to sources? They have all the banks behind them. They're expected to present itself to investors not so much as a Bitcoin company, but as a chip designer focused on developing other markets in artificial intelligence and blockchain. Their customers happen to be Bitcoin miners. Did you know that Bitmain right now is changing their tune to artificial intelligence? Look, Bitmain AI. All you got to do is watch my show, folks. If you like the things and the content and the things that I talk about, just subscribe to my channel. Right there, YouTube Live, and just subscribe. It's on the bottom, like where the shark is. Oh, let me get the shark out. Release the sharks, guys. And where he's circling with the money, just click there and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video too. So I got this right here. See, Bitmain's to transition from cryptocurrency to artificial intelligence. It just happened a day ago. Chinese companies going to target AI. You want to know why? Because I already knew it. I already knew it. Dude, it's like Callaway Golf. As soon as you buy a Bitmain Antminer L3 with 186 chips, they already developed the one with 250 chips. They just took out 70, launched that one first. As soon as they launched that one, they put the 70 back in. Now they're coming out with the Antminer not 10, and it's $300 more, and it's got 250 chips. It's the biggest scam like the golfing companies I've seen, and it's so obvious. Now they're getting into artificial intelligence. Can you believe that? Artificial intelligence. They did $4 billion. They're going to speed up machine learning now, just like I'm talking about right here. There's a company called Vector Dash. Be your own cloud provider. I can go into hosting. I could take and earn 3 times more mining than cryptocurrency with this site. This company will pay me for my 1080 Ti $7 a day. How come? Because they're making 15 a day by charging the scientist access to the GPU, which is 5 times less than Amazon, so they're going here, and they're renting it by the hour for $15 a day. So they can use my GPU, pay me 7, have the scientist pay 15, and they make the middleman. Dude, artificial intelligence with GPUs, I'll never get stuck. I'm looking into the future of splitting up what I can do with my hashing power by contacting institutions like Berkeley and MIT and NASA and scientists that would be building their own mining centers of GPU for hashing power. However, if you rented it from me, here's what I'm doing with my Mojo miners. Let's say I've got my rigs that I'm in with, and I got one rig that gives out, like I showed you, 3,600 in hashing power. Okay, what I'll do is I'll rent that scientist, MIT, for 3 years and $12,000 up front because they got grant money. They have to spend the money. They have not been able to spend the money because they can't get their hands on the GPUs due to the shortage and the hike in prices, so they can't even build them with the amount of money that they get, so they can't use the money and can't do the research. Well, I'm going to help research and curing diseases and smart cities and all this by allowing these scientists to come in and pay me $12,000 for 3 years, and I'll allow them access to half of that one mining rig. They can use it whenever they want. That's theirs. Do all the research you want. Done. That 12,000, I'm buying 2 more rigs, renting out half of both of them. With those contracts, buying 7 more rigs. That's the way to go. Crypto mining, artificial intelligence, knowing what's going on in the industry with every one of these companies. So when the big companies that are just setting up warehouses that didn't start out like I did, testing it, growing into from infancy to bigness, I'm going to see what they're doing as far as making mistakes or succeeding, and I'm going to copy the best ones, saving multi-majillions of dollars. That's what I do. That's what I do. So let's check out some of the trades today, shall we? Oh, look, here's some more mining stuff. This is what I make a day with those little racks. $200. There's my number. Take it, put it in nice hash, and buy some. Buy, that's my public address. Go ahead, look me up. Look at my workers. Mojo Miner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, all the way up. I'm mining Keycac, NeoScript, Lyra, Dagger Hashimoto, Decred, and Equihash. Mainly Equihash because Zcash is very hot right now. So my monthly income is $6,308. Right there. You see it. You see it, right? Dude, look. You see it. There you go. Now you see it, right? Look, 6,300. My weekly income is 1,471. My weekly income. You see that, right? You see it now, right? Yeah, good. Put it on. Put your glasses on. Daily income, $210. See that? $200 a day. Unpaid balance. I'm making 0.02 Bitcoin a day. Oh, I love it. He's never seen this before. You better ask somebody. Look, this software shows me the largest profit that I could make right now on what to mine is Veggie Coin at $3.23 a coin. So let me show you that right there. Let's say I go into what to mine. I scroll down, shows me right here. I could put in which cards I have. So I have 1070 Ti's right here. Let's say I put in, I have 90 of them. See, it already puts in how much hash rate it is. So I take it down here. I hit calculate, and it shows me the best one for me to mine is Zcash. So I come in, which is Equihash and Nice. See, I'm already on Nice Hash. Nice Hash is always up here. So I just mine on Nice Hash because it's a great platform and much easier to do for the common person. And it just works real well. I don't have to do any exchanges. It puts it right into Bitcoin. I send it right to Coinbase and right out. So this is a really great site. I can go into Zcash right here, and I put in my hash rate, 45,000. Well, it's actually 55,000 now. And my power, we'll leave it 0. We won't calculate any electricity. And we'll hit calculate. And I'm making on a monthly basis 6,000. There it is, 307. It's exactly correct. Now let's factor in the power. It's costing me 14,000 watts of electricity for that. So my net number at the end of the month, electricity cost is 12 cents. Calculate. This is exactly what I make at the end of the month, $5,170. So 1,600 of that is electricity bill. It shows you exactly what you make. So what I want to do is I want to come in here, and I want to come in and I want to find the most profitable coin. So I come in, what's the most profitable coin to mine with a 1070 Ti? And I scroll down and it shows me Veggie Coin. So if I wanted to go into Veggie Coin, these are the pools that I could mine in right here. All these. And the way to mine Veggie Coin. And I'd make $2.35 per GPU. The electricity cost is 44 cents. It shows you everything. So I'm mining Votecoin right here. You can see it. Look, Votecoin. This is Votecoin. And why I'm mining it. I like, out of all these top coins, Raven Coin, Zencash is another good one to mine because it has a great concept and a good company. I'll do Raven Coin another day. But Votecoin's the bomb. I really like what they're doing with Votecoin, and I'm accumulating it so one day when they get on Binance and these other exchanges, it'll be used. Look, it's at 0.2. It's at 2 cents. It's going to be at $1.20. I'm going to be rich off that one coin. And that's on the most profitable coin. Let's see what the most profitable the 1080 Ti is. 3 veggie coin. And here's vote coin again, 215. Zcash is probably right there. There it is, Zcash, 189. So I'm not far off. Ethereum's $1.96. So I know always the top coins to mine. And I know what Vector Dash is doing with cloud GPUs. And I'm on the cusp of doing the biggest things with GPU mining. That's why I'm so excited. It's unbelievable. Earn $230 a month with one card. Take 100 cards, that's $23,000 a month. Sick! Look, this guy's doing 736,000 mega hash. He's doing 92,000 a month. The numbers don't lie. Here's the calculator. In year 7, starting with 100 mining rigs, I'm going to end with 877 mining rigs. My $500,000 investment is going to be worth $4.3 million. My weekly return is 2.5%, but I'm doing 1.5% to underpromise and overdeliver, is $65,785 a week in money, income. Company's at 4.5 million. I'm going to take half of that in my pocket. I'm going to take the other part and reinvest in more rigs and get to 1,000 in year 8 and 9. I'm building, look, 5 rigs a week. 5 rigs a week I'm building right here. Sick. In reinvestment money. Dude, it's the most unbelievablest opportunity and business thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And the fact that people aren't freaking doing it is, dude, it's unbelievable. Dude, every day's a vacation when you love your occupation.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like it like that, you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemy. Doing shit, I love it all day.
Ethereum. You know who's the biggest joke is Warren Buffett with the crypto. How freaking old farty is he, dude? That he had FOMO fear out and now he bashes the shit out of it like no one else. Like an old senile fucking man. Ooh, did I say that word? I hope they don't ban the video because I said he's going to get on and say, CNBC and YouTube take out on that video of that kid who just said fucking Buffett boiling with the rats. Hey, hey, hey. The big bobber. So here's what we made today. 3,324 in realized gains. SNES, $2,730. CDTI, a quick $400 trade. Vivis, 164. Blink, 20. DWT, 10. Let's scroll up. And you ain't gonna believe this scam and shit that these guys are doing. See, I'm in the trenches. You guys could see I'm engulfed, passive. I mean, not passionate about what I do. Passionate like you wouldn't believe. Because I care. See, this is what the deal is. Look, see my office in my house? My house is incredible. I love my car, everything. I'm living the dream. Have been for a while. And I'm blessed with MOJO Day Trading and my team that's been with me for a long time. So, what would I do to get in with MOJO? With the teaching first, of course. I want to get taught by Pro Trader Mike. However, I have found most of the people 95% are all small beginners that really don't have a lot of money. Like me, when I first started day trading and I really wanted to do it to change my life, I didn't have 30 grand. I actually went with prop firms for a long time, blowing up and learning, but never had a mentor. I'd go on hot streaks, no one would stop me and shit, things like that, crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, I shouldn't have pressed that. So I had no one to stop me. Hold on. Back up. All right, I'll show you about Ross and Jason. What happened? That's what I'm getting into. So you got to say, dude, I can go play poker and put up 2 grand and probably do real well. Go to the horse track, do some sort of gambling with risk with 2,000 of my dollars. Put it on freaking black to try to make money. So I got to know that if I give poker guy risks 42,000 on black. Watch. 42 G's. Watch. 42,000 pounds, throws it on black. Right there. He just won it on a poker tournament. 42 black. Right there. He puts it on black. 42 cash. There it goes. You want to know if he hits it or not? My point is, you could take your money just like that and double it. So for me to give $2,000 to somebody to teach me, I don't know if they could make me money, especially with the things that I read. So it's difficult for me to do that. So I could charge 2 grand easy for my live course and my teaching, but I don't, because I want to make it affordable for these guys to trade with me for a lifetime. The $1,000 extra is like 3 or 4 accounts to try by blowing up and getting back in the game, because you're not starting with a lot of cash. So I'd rather you have that $1,000 in your pocket than to pay me 2 grand for my teaching. That's why I'm only charging $9.97. Okay? You can win. He wins. Black. Doubled his money, just like that. Sick, right? The guy's nuts. The guy's nuts. So there you go. Doubled it just like that, man. So you guys got to be like, dude, I ain't paying nobody thousands of dollars, dude, because I don't know if they're going to make me money, man. Especially the shit I see online. Here's my competition. These are the guys that are charging you more than me. They don't win. Look, 2,930, Blink and SNES. 2740 in 3 freaking minutes made 2,740. Look at that. Crazy good. SNES 178 from 150. Look, killed it this morning on SNES. Right here. We saw the news, came in this morning, up 1170. I got 5,000 at 141. Right there. I show everybody everything. An ATM right there. I got 5,000 at 141. Now I got 2,000. It's going lower. I get the hell out of it. I was up 1179, lost 29, got the hell out. Thing was already trading millions of shares. Great start of the day. Love it. Then I got 500. This could be like Blink and XTTW. This other one right here. Check. We're watching it. So I only got 500. I already made $1,200. It's 8:50 a.m. Not even 9 o'clock. So then we came in here. Adding 2 more rigs. This is my monitoring system. Always monitoring the warehouse. Locked up like a freaking fortress. Then DWT through Heinz 7. At Heinz 7, it's through $7 right now. DWT, where is it? It's 704. Heinz for sure. Then we got Trend Trade Blink. We love Blink. We made money on Blink in the beginning of the day right there up through 8. V-band trade play. Then SNES right here, 20 million already traded. That's $1.46. We're going long right there at the open. And Blink right through the 8. Blasted. Target was 10. I told you that weeks ago. Listen to my videos, you'd know. There's the Blink. Get ready. Blinky Rinky, get ready. SNES, there it goes. We're in. Sell it now. 158, 163, 168 flat. Amazing. Sold it up to 174. Made more money. $2,930 it jumped to after that trade. 3 minutes. Closed. 2,740. Shedded 200 off of that. I was up to over 3 grand, so I shed off $600 by selling off the rest of these positions. But I did it in 3 minutes. Crazy good. Then we're going to get in it again. Get ready. CLNE, I had it yesterday. SNES, here we go. Boom, sell 164. We got in at 58 and below. Selling it here at 71. And there's the DWT, 699. There's 7. DWT, got 5,000 at 6.9. Made a little Heinz on that. Didn't make much money on that. One Vivis. Michael, new guy. I'm going to help him out. He wasn't quick enough. He scaled in. Told him, look, just follow the new trader warning. The worst thing is when you get a bad taste in your mouth because I'm winning and all the other traders are winning on the same trade that you're losing on. That's just like the worst feeling. So please hold off on your trading for the beginning and everything. Some people are doing it big. Some people are doing it small. Some people aren't doing it for real. Some people are. It's all different. So you got to use it as an educational moment when you come in the beginning. Take the course. It's helpful. Of course, he is. This is the deal I'm giving from MOJO University on June 5th. My course is $19.97. You're getting my level 2 video, my stock in MOJO chat room and newsletter for 3 months, each worth $297. My toolbox, the online course, and the new crypto school for $47.81. All of it for $9.97. I could have done $19.97 like everyone else, and I'm better. But I want quality, I want to help people. I don't want to scam people. I want to help. This is the only product that I've ever made people money with. And that's why I've been doing it for 6 and 7 years. Email marketing, when I did email, was bullshit. Unless they over-delivered and sent extra emails to get you a good response, you didn't make any money. So you buy 10,000 emails for 3 grand. They load it up with 100,000 in the back office. They blast it out. You get a freaking shitload of leads and sales. You're like, this is the best thing I've ever done. You give them more money now for the 100,000 records, but they don't have 1 million like they overdid on the 10. So they keep on sending the same 100,000. They dilute the response. Everyone complains, and you freaking hate them. That's the business. It's the work. That's marketing. That's what they do. It's centralized. It's manipulated. Wake up, folks, okay? That's it. This webinar that I did is one of the most informative webinar I've ever give in 6 years. I suggest every single person get on my Twitter, Pro Trader Mike. I got 47,000 people that follow me here. Okay? I've done 18,000 tweets. I'm following some cool people too. Okay? But you watch this video. It's mandatory life-changing video that you must watch ASAP. It's the red carpet invite for you to change your financial future. The first 30 minutes are frozen on the video, but you can hear my voice, and then it scrolls in. It's amazing. I suggest everybody take the time to watch that video. Okay? It's right there on Pro Trader Mike for $9.97. Real world value. Let me show you what's out there. I watch everyone every day, just like they watch me and dislike my video right now like they've already done. I don't care. Thank you very much for showing me the dislike. I mean, at least you're consistent. You do it every single day, very quickly. Thank you. You're probably one of these guys. Let me show you. My system works. Let me show you. CDTI made a quick 400. Look at that move on CDTI this morning. Sick. Wow, spiking up like crazy. Then it was going to halt, and it halted. Stopping stations, one of my round and round it goes. Where it stops, no one knows. You need to know that trade play. That you learned that in MOJO University. That's not in the webinar. Here's where we finished out the day. Vivis had 5,000 up 117. DWT had 10,000 and Blink 500 left. Winners all day long. And this guy charges $19.97. Anyone here for the first time wants a day trade as a full business, absolutely take advantage, Michael. You won't regret it. Like this guy. As my I'm blocked him on Twitter. This is his tweet yesterday. As my service has grown, I understand everyone complains because I make money and they don't. Wow. Small caps are hard to mirror. Screw you, dude. You've been taking the freaking people to the promised land of utopia on your system. You have thousands and thousands of customers. However, you only have 2 millionaires. If your stuff is so good, the millionaires should be coming out of the woodwork. How come one guy that's made $4 million takes all his time on YouTube to helping everybody for $49? Now, he's taken 10 grand to 4 million. They gave him a Porsche. So they said, hey, let's see you do it again. So he took 25,000. It's at 350. Bullshit. No. You know why? Obvious. Dude, let me show you why. I'm that guy. And I got a $4 million account. But I'm going to show you how to do it fresh from 25 scratch. That's a 350 now in 3 months. Hold on a second. So if I got 350,000 minus 25,000, I made $325,000 in just a couple of months, divided by $25,000. I mean, my picks returned that much money. Oh, let's say it just returned 100%. Forget the 25 to 300. He made 1,300%. Let's just take 1,000%. He has 4 million. His other portfolio for surely mirrored those picks times 1,000%. He made 40. He should be saying right now, hey, I'm at 44 million in my other portfolio, but look how I started and showed you what I do with my other small shit picks. Because they're hard to mirror. It's bullshit. And you're bullshit and busted, dude. You have the balls to say, if I could trade 2 trades daily that were not hard to mirror, but also allowed a high win rate, like volume, liquidity, a real pick, you're not even in the room doing it, dude. This guy who I blocked and took his shit off. And 87% hooked me up, Jason. No, I hate making money. It's ridiculous. As ridiculous as this other guy. This guy copied my shit, took my course, renamed my shit, does a lot of advertising. This is all in the last 30 days. Now, if I made videos where I constantly lost money every day and showed all my members, how the hell am I going to have members? I better do a lot of advertising. So he lost red. Up. Rebound. He made 8. What did he rebound from? Another loss. Oh, and he's showing people how to cryptocurrency mine now. Up. Another loss. A week ago. So we're within a week and 3 losing days. Lost 13 grand. Oh boy. A week ago. 4. Lost again 2 weeks ago. 3 grand. Oh, lost again. 12 grand. Oh my God, 12 grand. He's lost 6 times. Up 7 grand. Another time. Up 10,000. Up shit. Up again. Up again. Up again. I mean, this is in the last month. If I did this, I'd be ashamed. My systems, strategies, whatever the fuck I'm doing is losing people freaking money, and it ain't working. And I gotta make embarrassing videos thinking I'm a champ when I'm a fucking schlump. Give me a fucking break. I have to say something. And if you come back, it's only, and I'm just calling the spade, dude. Let's check out some websites, shall we? Let's check out jasonbondpicks.net. So there's no reason to come and quabble because I'll take the traffic from jasonbondpicks.net and drive it right here. Where does that website go? MOJO Day Trading. Whew, damn, that's pretty good. So I have that with everyone's sites. And there's no reason to use them because it just is what it is. Gotta finally call the stinking shit. Been 6 years. So there you go. I got all of the websites. I won't use them. There's no reason to. But I'm getting a lot of people to my day trade room all of a sudden. And I was wondering what it was from. Maybe it's from those other rooms because they're all doing shit. So let me show you what happens. Okay? This is fucking ridiculous. Let's scroll down to these people. Mr. IM. Message. Let's see what I've spoken to him about. I said, hi, welcome to my room on May 15th. I showed him a $1,500 day on DGAS here, Heat Biologics, MDGS, and Arcadia Biosciences. I said, how do you like that? We're done for the day. Again, on another day, 2771 on Blink and Check in 5 minutes. There's another day of 4,655. Another day of 2740. So this guy never even answers back. He's Mr. Classic right here. Brant. Message. Brant has seen me trade since April 23rd. And he's a swing trader. And he's seen me do Atos. He's seen me make this day as well. And he never answers back. Oh, he just left. See, Brand, he heard me. Isn't that funny? So let's go find him. Can't hide, brother. See how he just left? Isn't that funny? Here he is. Isn't that funny? He just freaking left. Amazing. Here he is. Brand. All right, anyway. He already left the server. Funny. Said this guy. I showed him since last Thursday a $2,700 day, a $4,600 day for this guy. And he don't answer right back. He's playing right now another game. Very important. So we're kicking him too. And then we got this guy, Crawl Shank. I showed him, hi, $1,000 day, a $4,700 day, a $2,500 day, a $4,400 day, a $2,300 day, a $1,500 day, and a $2,700 day, and he don't even answer me. I think that's pretty rude. He's done too. Gone. DYSI. I showed him a 2,700. He's only been here one day. I'll keep him here another couple of days. Ebach. Never heard of him before. I must have showed him only one day. There you go. Helgerson, many days. Look at this guy. So I showed him also 2,700, 4,600, VLRX, ripping on VLRX, rip, made money, don't answer. I mean, all these people, I don't know what they're doing. So we're just going to have to kick them all. Kick. Going to kick them all. Helgerson, kick. HK Knight. See what I sent to him. Nothing. He could stay. All right. I'll copy this guy's shit. What do you think of the SNES trade today? Let's see if he answers me. There. So then we got Hondo. Hondo never answers since December. Hondo's gone. Kicking. See ya. And then you have Ixon. Kicking. James Hewitt. Look how many times I told him profits. 2,300, 2,700, and my web. You're gone. Just rude. Kick. Javi kick. Jordan Belfort, dude. Jordan Belfort's in my room. Look, hi, Jordan. Bye, Jordan. The Wolf of Wall Street, guys, in my room. There you go. See you, dude. This guy, see you, dude. Rimco, see ya. Spacewalker, see ya. Sundew, see ya. And Swifty, see ya. That's how you do it. Now there's 690 left online. Most of them are members that just aren't here. And then you have these 13 that are, and then these 47 that are here, and myself. So that's how we fix the room, guys. And shame on them freaking other people, man. You know, that just run big businesses and freaking scamming. You know, are you getting burned by the stock market or your mentor? It's ridiculous. How many times am I going to see freaking losing videos? And been on the money, 95% accuracy, 98% accuracy for 6 years. You can't rock the boat. I got a system. The Ken Slim system from William O'Neill is used by millions of investors because it's a system that works. I can't rock William O'Neill's system. Stupid. I got to be stupid to even try. Same thing with my system. Gotta be stupid to try. If you want to learn the system, come to MOJODayTrading.com, the #1 chat room in the world. Best, MOJODayTrading.com. Check it out. I think you'll like it. I'm giving a live class of Mojo University June 5th, Tuesday. I'll be giving a webinar Thursday at 8 p.m. It'll be on my Twitter and going out in email. If you want to check it out, go ahead. Otherwise, check out that webinar that's been recorded right there and sign up for the next class. Peace, keep it profitable. If you want to become a millionaire, here's your next step.